I've got 5 myths to talk to you about owning a short-term rental. Myth number 3, as long as I've got general knowledge of how a short-term rental works, I should be fine. Not necessarily. And there's several factors that you need to think about, as in, does the area allow for what you're doing? Does the property, as we talked about before, handle the needs of a short-term rental property? And in certain circumstances, if you're on water, do you have the proper equipment for that? So as an example, do you have swim floaties? Do you have a proper dock? Do you have, if you are going to have a boat there, do you have the proper insurance for it? All of these are key important factors that you need to be planning out in advance of any purchase of a short-term rental, and definitely, or of any transition of a property from just your normal usage to ownership as a short-term rental.